Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. And on the desk today we have a two-way radio from Bajeton. This one is a BJ-9000, output power at 10 watts and frequencies multi-band. So we'll take a look and see what we think of this one and see what they have on offer. So of course we get the paper manual. And it looks quite decent. It's not a bad manual. It looks like they're covering most aspects. Of course, I never read these things, but it's good to have it all the same. As it appears to be all in English, there is no other languages, so just English. And then on the back page, we have the QR code. It's for Apple and Android. So obviously, the set must have Bluetooth. And next up we have the battery. There's a decent bit of weight to this battery. And they are saying it's DC 7.4 volts and 2800 mAh. So quite a decent sized battery. It's a 20.72 watt hours. Oh, and here we go with the USB charging. Seems to be the done thing nowadays. USB charging in the battery. It's under a nice little flap. And of course we have the belt clip holder, non-screwable type. It's one of those clip-ins. I suppose the star of the show, we'll take a look at the radio. Now, big beast. Manufacturer stickers, Bajeton two-way radio BJ-9000. It's a multi-band with 10 watts as mentioned. And I have a sneaky suspicion that this one is a Radtel 950 Pro rebadged. That's what it looks like anyway from what I've seen around the place. Handy enough, this one comes with a drop-in cradle charger. Also USB Type C. I'd like to see it. And then of course we have the belt clip. And the lanyard. And a Type C cable. Pretty much the same as you would get in any other radio. They always seem to pop the same things in. USB adapter. And a nice long antenna. It is actually quite a long one, this one. It's let's see. So frequency spec, we have FM 136 to 174 megahertz and 400 to 470 megahertz. It seems a little bit longer than normal, but yeah, we're covering the same kind of bands. I have a suspicion under this tray we're going to find another antenna. Yeah, there we go. So we have a branded cable for programming. It has Motorola type attachment. And then as mentioned, that antenna. This one's a telescopic antenna. And it should cover, I think, 11 meters. Yeah, 27 megahertz is what's printed on it. Telescopic antenna. And reason being for the antenna is this radio is supposed to cover 11 meters and also 10 meters, 2 meters and 70 sims. So three different bands. It actually transmits quite a a few frequencies in quite a few different bands, but of course the emissions aren't great. But it has been tested on 11, and it actually performed quite well. So anyway, we'll see if we can get this battery on, and we'll take a deeper dive and see what we have available. So the battery is one of those clip up types, so you have to kind of move the plastic upwards and it connects in quite nicely. Yeah, there's no rattle. Pop on the antenna. Again, we're going with the Baofeng reverse SMA type. Yeah, would prefer to have the other way around, but there it is.
Anybody around? Anybody around?
Yeah, Bajeton BJ-9000. Interesting radio. Looks like we're going to have a full deep dive. But thanks for tuning in for the unboxing, and we'll catch you on the next one.